Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm here at Hinckley Lake in Ohio. One of the beautiful fishing spots. Most of you people probably know about this place, and as you can see, they are still under construction. I'm gonna take a walk here to this little part here just to show you guys and see kind of what the gist is and what's really going on. I have seen things that defy the laws of physics. I have heard things that I can't quite understand. Let's get out of here. I go out on an adventure, searching for answers to these bizarre happenings. And I capture it all on film to show the world my evidence. These are my paranormal adventures. This is kind of what's going on over here. Yeah, it's kind of the construction they're doing right now. It's just fantastic. I'm gonna go walk around to the front side and kind of go see that part here. I think it's going to be beautiful once they get Hinckley Lake done. I love coming out here. Didn't really like fishing here when, before. But, it was just the fact of being there was just so cool to me. I love filming up here. I love riding bikes, driving RC cars, all that stuff up through here. It's just, it's cool, Gosh, I hope it all goes well, and we'll see what happens, right? Well, everyone, thanks for watching Paranormal Adventures, and hey, we don't always do paranormal things on here. We do lots of adventure exploration too, so, it's what we do, man. Hey, a quick thing I want to say thank you to all who appreciate me, and I appreciate all your support in trying to grow this channel into a career, into a lifetime a lifetime thing, you know. I want to be able to wake up in the morning and see you all, you know. So, thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Cheers.